Hello students, this is a lecture of class 10, subject maths, exercise 14.1. Today we will solve our next example of this exercise, example 2. The statement is the table below gives the percentage distribution of female teacher in the primary school of rural areas of various states and union territories of India. Find the mean percentage of female teacher by all the two method discussed in this section. मीन्स नीचे हमारे पास एक टेबल दी हुई है. क्लियर, दिस इज़ द टेबल. क्लियर, दिस इज़ द टेबल. इस टेबल्स के अंदर हमें परसेंटेज दे रखा है फीमेल टीचर्स का. ये देखिए, ये फीमेल टीचर्स का परसेंटेज दिया हुआ है और साथ में हमें नंबर ऑफ स्टेट्स दे रखे हैं ये इसके अंदर. क्लियर, मीन्स की परसेंटेज जो है हमारे पास फीमेल टीचर्स का 15 to 25 में, नंबर ऑफ़ स्टेट्स जो है हमारे पास वो 6 हैं. 25 to 35 में नंबर ऑफ़ स्टेट्स हमारे पास 11 है. मतलब कि जो फीमेल्स का परसेंटेज दे रखा है इसके अंदर वहाँ. क्लियर, हमने इनका मीन परसेंटेज फाइंड आउट करना है फीमेल टीचर्स का दोनों मेथड से. मीन्स डायरेक्ट मेथड्स एज वेल एज द एज्यूम मीन मेथड्स. क्लियर. नाउ फॉर सोल्यूशन we will take a is equal to 50 and h is equal to 10. There is no need to take h is equal to 10 because h is equal to 10 in the method step deviation methods, but step deviation method is not in our syllabus in this session. Clear, leave it like. Now di is equal to xi minus a, where xi is the class mark, a is the assume mean. Clear. Now which is assume means we find from the this column like xi. Clear. Now we have to make the tables like percentage of female teachers, number of the states and the class mark. How will you find class marks? To add 15 plus 25 by 2 will get the result 20. Similarly 25 plus 35 by 2 30. 35 plus 45 by 2 40. Means class mark is equal to lower limit plus upper limit by 2. Clear, you will get the class mark. Clear. Now a, what is a? That is the assume means take the value of this is, that is a, which is 50. Now find di is equal to xi minus a. In previous example we have done this part like again I am clearing the concept like di is equal to xi minus 50. It means that is 20 minus 50, it will become minus 30. Similarly that is 30 minus 50, it will become that is minus 20, and so on. Clear. Now find this column by multiplying fi with the xi. Means this is our fi. Clear. And this is our xi. So multiplying this like 6 multiplying 20 120, 11 multiplying 30 330, 7 multiplying 40 that is 240, and so on. Clear. Now next is fi di. Means this is fi and this is di. Multiplying again like 6 multiplying minus 30 minus 180, 11 with minus 20 will get the result minus 220, 7 with minus 10 minus 70, and so on. Clear. Now add f of I xi values will get the result 1390, and when we will add fi di will get the result minus 360, and number of states there is 35. Clear. So from table we will get the result this fi summation of fi 35, summation of fi xi 1390, and the summation of fi di is equal to minus 360. Now by using first direct method, x mean is equal to summation of fi xi divided by summation of fi. So 1390 divided by 35. When you will divide 1390 by 35, you will get the result 39.71. That's our answer by using direct methods. Now for by using assume mean methods, x bar is equal to a plus summation of fi di by summation of fi. Will get the result 50 plus minus 360 by 35. When you will solve it, you will get the result 39.71 again. So by two methods we will get the result 39.71. So the Mean percentage of female teachers in the primary school in rural areas like 39.71 मीन जो परसेंटेज है हमारे पास मीन परसेंटेज जो है फीमेल टीचर्स का एक प्राइमरी स्कूल्स के अंदर वो इतने टीचर्स हमारे पास में 39.71. क्लियर. नाउ यू हैव टू सोल्व द सम्स फ्रॉम 4 to 6. Only 3 sums you have to solve in fair notebook. Clear. Thank you and have a nice day to all of you.